Do you hear it? I hear it. We're in Alabama, so this is the sound of spring. I never thought I would associate spring with frogs, but those are the spring peepers. And they're singing. And it makes me smile because that means, oh goodness, look. That means this is going to be planted soon. So excited. I mean, I have babies planted out here, look. I have my kales are already out. And ignore that, that's a weed. And then these are my broccolis. But like the actual, all the tiny little seedlings that are in the house are gonna be out here soon. In like a month. Oh, I can't wait. Thank you, frogs. Such a good reminder that spring is coming.